Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Finally we are going to see Bomburu Falls. Even though we live in Badulla, all four of us couldn't make a time to wander around. Finally this time we made some time. Don't ask me how, but we made some time. So island girls are back. We used to roam around a lot before, but this is the very first time that I'm vlogging it for the YouTube. So hope you guys enjoy.
Watch me as I go.
We have to catch the last bus around 3:30. So here we are, chasing the fool. The stairs were so steep, you guys, at first. So he was a little bit tired. But yeah.
Both ways before you cross me, baby, cause I don't break for boys. Hey, I'm moving on, hey, got nothing left to say, let's be on my way.
Here comes the leechers. I survived thanks to my friends. It is around 1.5 kilometers from the starting point to the waterfall. So after some time we saw the glimpse of the waterfall finally.
Moving on.
From here you can cross the waterfall and go to the upper division, but we keep it for another time since we girls came along without boys.
For you, I can't wait no more. I know that you've been feeling it too, and I've been down this road with you before. People changing face and all.
My heart just fluttered after seeing this beauty. Oh my god, such a gorgeous she is. And yeah, I can spend hours here.
But now we're miles away. So many things that you need to say. Anytime I see you, make me wanna stay. I'm not trying to make your heart break for me, but when I'm alone, I'm in ecstasy. I can think straight when you're next to me. You're next to me, yeah. But wait a minute, we said that we could never forget the times that we spent on a weekend. Gone too far to go back, yeah. I know that you got nothing to hide from me, but I can't help but feeling that you lie to me when you try to convince me that it's all